In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Calendar as a desktop app. By the end, you'll have Google Calendar running in its own window, just like a native application, so it's easier to find, switch to, and focus on without browser tabs getting in the way. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Using a Chromium-based browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge works best because they support installing websites as apps. Make sure you're on the official Google Calendar page and signed into the account you want to use. Now keep your eyes on the address bar at the top of the browser window, the same place where you type web addresses. On the right-hand side, you should see a small icon that looks like a computer monitor with a download arrow. That's the install icon, and it appears on sites that are designed to work as progressive web apps. If you hover over it, you'll see a tooltip that mentions installing Google Calendar. Go ahead and click that install icon. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to install Google Calendar. Click Install to proceed. This tells your browser to create a dedicated app window for Calendar and add it to your system just like other applications. Once the installation finishes, Google Calendar will open in its own standalone window. You'll notice there's no regular browser toolbar or tabs at the top, just Calendar, clean and focused. From here on, it behaves like a real desktop app. You can pin it to your taskbar or dock for quick access, and you'll find it listed with your other apps in your Start menu or Applications folder. It launches fast, runs separately from your other browsing, and can show notifications for upcoming events, which is great for staying on schedule. If you don't see the install icon in the address bar, try refreshing the page. Make sure you're on the correct Google Calendar URL, and check that your browser is up to date. Some work or school administrators turn off app installation, so if you're on a managed device, that might be why the option isn't there. That's all it takes. In just a couple of clicks, you've turned Google Calendar into a desktop-style app that's easier to open, easier to keep in view, and less distracting than a browser tab.